So I'm going to show you how to turn dictation on your Apple Watch SE 3. So if you want to use voice typing, then you have to enable dictation. So press on the crown once to open the main menu. Then the main menu, look for settings. So let's try that again. Tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down to general, tap on that, and then you can now scroll down until you get to dictation. Tap on that, and then this is where you can turn dictation on. And once you turn dictation on, and then on that page, go down and enable dictation. Now dictation has been turned on. And while it's on, you can choose to enable or disable automatic punctuation. So now whenever you need to type anything, whether it's in messages or wherever it is you want to type, for instance, if I go into messages, try and create a new message, I can choose between glide typing and dictation. So now it's gonna record everything I'm saying. Thanks for watching and good luck.